Hello everyone, I'm your friend Pankaj here with a new tutorial on some Wamp server errors when you first installed it on your Windows machine. So this is in my previous tutorial I shared that how you can install Wamp server. In this tutorial, let's start when you first start your Wamp server on a newly installed Windows machine. So yes, there is a screenshot I want to share with you. When I first completed the installation, I assume that this is a new Windows PC and no other softwares are installed. Then you might have this kind of error appears on your uh, screen when you first install the web server, and this is the screen which says this VCRUNTIME140.dll was not found. Yeah, this VCRuntime140.dll was not found. This is one kind of error you can see, and another problem. Let me show you where when I start the web server. Let's start. Yes, this MSVCR110.dll. These DLL files are missing right now, so WAMP server is starting but not completely. You can see here on the right corner, you can see the WAMP server in orange icon. If it starts successfully, it appears in first it start with the red icon, then it starts successfully, it appears in green color. Right now it's orange, and when you roll over your mouse there, it will show that one of two services running. So that means another service is not running. What this means? Let me just check what this file is, why this error is. Was not found. Server. Yeah. If you'll see this is yeah. So here on this Stack Overflow page, you can see this DLL file is part of Microsoft Visual C++ libraries, and same is happening with VCRuntime140.dll. This is also part of VC++ libraries. So we need to install all these libraries first, then we will install our WAMP server. If the WAMP server is already installed, please install that first, then install all these libraries. I have installed 64 bits already. Let me check if yes, it's already installed. Only 86-bit versions I have to install again. I'm sorry, I mean 32-bit version, x86 I have to install again. If you have already other softwares from Microsoft already installed, that you might have some of these libraries already installed on your computer that you can check and verify. I will share that tool with you also, where you can check these libraries are required, if they are required installed on your computer or not. Let me first just complete this installation quickly. I'm doing this on a virtual machine right now just for the demo purpose, because I already have all these softwares installed on my computer already. Because so I'm doing this just for showing you that all these must to be installed, and I will share the download link of this complete package here, and this is the visual C redistributed check. You can check all VC packages needed to Wamp server are installed correctly. Okay, now we will start our installation again. Yeah, these are the packages here are mentioned which you need to download. So there are all different links together, but I have compiled this into one, and you can download this one single package from here also. And this is the link to download the tool to check the VC libraries are installed or not correctly. I'll share this link in description also. So let's start installation of our Wamp server. This you have seen already in the previous tutorial also, but because of this error I have installed this first and now I'm installing it again, so it might take some time again to complete. And also it's running on a virtual machine, so it's a little bit slow than before. I don't want to cut this video or skip this, because this can be done in few more seconds. Same thing I will do again. I will configure my Google Chrome as default browser. If you have done this about the Google Chrome application, if you want to keep Internet Explorer as your default browser, you can keep it. I will take Notepad default ID. Done. Finish. Let's just start the Wamp server again. It starts in red color. You can see here. Then it turns into orange, then it turns into green, and all services are running now. Let's check if localhost was working. Done. So guys, here I have shared what kind of 2 or 3 errors you can see while installing the Wamp server first time. These two these two are the errors you will receive, and these all are the libraries you need to install. I will share the link to all these updated libraries in the description of this video, and this is the tool to check if all the VC libraries are installed correctly. I will share the link out to download this also, and subscribe to my channel, keep liking, sharing. I will keep posting few more tricks, tips, and more tutorials on WordPress and web development. Thank you for your support. Thank you.